Hello, this is Coach Team and welcome po sa ating Seacrest Business Presentation where success meets purpose. So ito po ang ating complete presentation. So sana makatulong po sa inyo na makapag-decide kung bakit nga ba magandang pasukin si Seacrest this 2024, lalo na kung naghahanap po kayo ng pang long-term na income. So ito po, i-share ko po sa inyo para makapag-decide po kayo agad. So welcome to our business presentation. And ito po si Seacrest. You can visit our website www.seacrest-inc.com. Ang company po ay located sa Cebu City, sa Mandaue City, in Vel Ouno Commercial Center, MC Briones Street. So it's a new model of hope and opportunity. Seacrest is centered around the seaweed products. Seaweed is the heart of our venture, from health supplements to skincare. Our product range is diverse and environmentally friendly. We're committed to sustainability and helping coastal communities thrive. It just started last May of 2024, so bago lang po. And legality-wise, kumpletong-kumpleto po tayo dyan, kaya hindi po kayo mangangamba dito. Meron po tayong SEC, may BIR, may Mayor's Permit or Business Permit. May FDA na rin po na papasok at kasado na po. Opisina, kumpleto po yan, okay? And malapit na rin po ang ating grand launching. So siguro pag napanood niyo po itong presentation natin, the grand launching will be on September 17 at i-celebrate po yan sa Castle Peak Hotel, Cebu City. Ayan. So pwede po kayo mag-register kung napanood niyo po to before the event. Pero after the event, of course, we will just continue the business and celebrate the grand launch of our business. So pakilala ko na po sa inyo ang ating CEO, ang ating co-founder na si Sir Juston Clyde Ang. He's a Filipino-Chinese businessman, entrepreneur, architect, and graduated from Ateneo de Davao University. Passionate in doing multi-level marketing business, committed to innovation, growth, and positive change. You can follow him sa kanyang Facebook page. That's Juston Clyde Ang para makita nyo pa po kung gaano ka legit ang ating CEO. Alright, so continuing the presentation, our mission and vision, wellness revolution from the heart of the ocean. Our vision is to empower a healthier world and a thriving ocean through the purity and potency of seaweeds. So let's transform lives one seaweed at a time. Ladies and gentlemen, ang products po natin are all seaweed-infused base line of products for health, beauty, and wellness. It's FDA approved with 30-day product return refund if you're not satisfied with your order, which I doubt kasi ang dami po talagang happy sa products ni Seacrest. Pero if ever lang po, pwedeng-pwede po yan. Pwede nyo po i-return for refund within 30 days basta naka-well pack po siya. And bakit nga ba seaweed ang products natin dito? Actually, ladies and gents, the Philippines is one of the world's largest producers of seaweed. Parang pang number 3 or number 4 po tayo. Producing 1.63 million metric tons in 2023. Production is primarily done in Cebu and a few other provinces in the south. Seacrest is the first seaweed line of business that helps support Filipino seaweed farmers and is committed to sustainability and helping coastal communities thrive. Okay? All right. So guys, our market, it's it's not just the Philippines, but of course Southeast Asia as of now. The current population of the Philippines is 119 million, while Asia is 695 million. And this is based on projections on the latest United Nations data. With seaweed as a versatile superfood, even for skin health, seaweed is incredibly rich in antioxidants, highly nutritious, may help with thyroid function, may help with diabetes, may help support gut health, may help with skin problems, and may protect the heart. So if you know someone who values their health, then you know your market. Just imagine this, kakaumpisa pa lang po ni Seacrest and nasa 1,000 pa lang po tayo. So kung papasok po kayo ngayon, kumusta naman po? Kasi estimated by the year 2025, ma-reach po natin ang first 100,000 affiliates. Then after a few years, maybe mag 1 million tayo. And after another few years more, mag 5 million tayo. So kumusta talaga na ikaw ang first 10,000, sabihin na natin, first 10,000 affiliates or subscribers ni Seacrest. So as of now, kung i-congratulate na po kita for making this right decision. Okay? All right. So moving on, ito ang mga products po natin. As of now, so we have our 3 flagship products, all seaweed infused. So we have the Sea Skin UV Intense Whitening Lotion, the Crunchy Seaweed Chips, and the Sea Skin Whitening Soap. And ladies and gentlemen, ang ating seaweed chips, hindi lang po ito basta chips. Meron po itong 93 plus bioavailable nutrients. You can Google, you can YouTube the benefits of seaweeds and napakaganda po talaga niya. Alright, parang isang jump pack nutrients sa isang weed. Okay, so it's only 149 pesos. So marami po tayong mga competitors na chips, okay, like potato chips, kangkong chips, okay? Pero same prices, 149, but the nutrients, yun ipapasok natin sa katawan natin, lalo na po sa mga bata, consider our seaweed chips, mas masustansya. At Himalayan salt ang gamit po natin dito, vegan product, no preservatives, gluten-free, dairy-free, 100% ang quality natin, okay? Now, we have the Sea Skin Whitening Soap. It's only 179 pesos SRP. May kelp seaweed powder na po yan at niacinamide, glutathione, collagen. So pwedeng-pwede po ito sa mga skin na dry or dull, lalo na po yung may mga acne and blemishes, uneven skin tone, premature aging, and sensitive skin. May kasama pong mesh yan. Alright, then the next one is the Sea Skin Lotion with UV Whitening SPF 60. PA++. Ang taas po ng SPF po niyan and it's only for 349 pesos. Okay, so ito po ay anti-inflammatory, may sun protection 24 hours, and moisturizer and nourishment. Okay. So ladies and gentlemen, hindi lang po yun ang products natin. May mga paparating pa po. Lalabas na rin po itong mga products na to. So more products coming soon. So ngayon, kung kayo po ay mag-start na dito kay Seacrest, we have 3 packages that you can choose from. The standard package, premium, and the VIP. So you can start with standard, 2,498. At pare-parehas lang naman po ang benefits nila. Okay? Magkakaiba lang po sa number of products na kasama. So basahin nyo na lang po para makita ninyo. At ang pagkakaiba din niya sa ibang products or sa ibang packages ay yung commission na papasok sa inyo. Later, i-explain ko po yan sa inyo. Now, sa 2,498, ito po yung one-time membership. Once you pay your one-time membership, magbabayad na lang po kayo ng subscription for only 498 pesos. So, i-add po natin yung 498 na first month subscription nyo. That's a total of 2,996 para sa standard package. Meron na po kayong lifetime product discount nito. No overhead expenses. Access to company logistics, door-to-door delivery po yan. So may dropshipping service po tayo dito. Personal Seacrest account, online store, free trainings and seminars, and of course, weekly and monthly commission. Ayan, pwede po kayo mag-upgrade anytime. At ang babayaran nyo na lang po sa upgrade ay yung difference. So hindi nyo po kailangan bayaran yung isang buong amount, but the difference only. Okay, so moving forward, ano ba ang mga benefits na makukuha nyo dito kay Seacrest pag nag-start na po kayo? Well, of course, this is not just your ordinary subscription, okay? Kay Seacrest, pag nag-start na po kayo, you can save money. You can enjoy up to 35% off savings in Seacrest products and up to 76% off versus branded products. So, no product maintenance dito, ladies and gentlemen. Hindi po kayo obligadong bumili or magbenta ng products, basta mag-enjoy ka lang sa subscription with free products. Then the convenience, nationwide delivery available because we have drop shipping service here. You can order your products online and delivered via drop shipping. No selling required, no quota. Online tools will be provided to get you started. Now, syempre, ang paborito ng lahat, you can earn money. You can participate in the compensation plan and earn weekly and monthly based on your performance. You can earn anytime, anywhere. At syempre, ang pinaka-importante sa lahat, pang long term po ito. Ladies and gentlemen, the mission of the company is to help people earn money and have a passive residual income for life as long as you're subscribed. So you can get your early retirement income here in Seacrest. Okay? So, bakit nga ba subscription ang type of business ni Seacrest? Well, this is not your traditional multi-level marketing, guys. Ha? Hindi po ito yung, alam niyo po yung traditional networking. Subscription business po ang papasukin natin dito. So, bakit ba subscription? Subscription-based businesses have become increasingly popular and diverse in recent years. So this model offers a steady stream of recurring revenue and can be applied to various industries. Kasi sa subscription po talaga, kumikita po ang company and of course, nakikinabang po ang mga nagsusubscribe. Just imagine this, kayo po ba ay nagbabayad ng pang-internet ninyo? Kayo po ba ay merong postpaid plans? At syempre kayo po ba ay merong mga bills like water bills, insurances, electric bills? So kung mapapansin ninyo, sa lahat ng yan, may babayaran po kayong initial or initial payment para ma-install or maumpisa ng service, di ba? Ngayon, after nyo pong mabayaran yung yung service or yung initial, magbabayad na lang po kayo ng pang-monthly. So that's called subscription. Okay? As long as you're paying monthly for a certain service, it's called subscription. At marami na po yan. Maraming type na po yan. So ang malaking tanong po dito, kayo po ba, kumita po ba kayo sa pagbabayad ng subscription? Ayan. Kung ang sagot po ay hindi, I'm glad to let you know na si Seacrest, babayaran ka naman habang nakasubscribe ka. Yan, okay? So, how to get started here in Seacrest? All you need to do is just to get the invite link of the person who shared Seacrest to you. After getting the link, just fill out the free no obligation registration form and that's valid for 24 hours. Makita mo na kagad kung saan ka nakaposisyon. Okay, so may free slot ka na kagad. And pag nagbayad ka na ng package or ng membership mo, well, you can just simply pay using GCash or bank transfer for the one-time membership fee. Yes, one time lang po ito. Okay, mamimili po kayo kung standard, premium, or VIP and that's one time. Then may kasama ng products po yan. Alright, then you can just pay the 498 subscription per month so you can enjoy all of the benefits. And this includes Seacrest products of your choice. So may free products ka din dito. Mamimili ka kung ano gusto mo. 2 chips ba? 2 soap? Or isang lotion? Okay, kayo po mamimili niyan. After that, you can just simply start making money online anytime, anywhere at your own convenience. So hindi nyo na kailangan pumunta sa opisina. Everything you need is online. Alright? So ngayon, syempre, since qualified ka na, nakabili ka na ng package mo, pwede ka nang kumita dito kay Seacrest. And we have 6 simple yet powerful and exciting compensation plan experience. Una po dyan ay ang retail commission, then the fast start commission, product rebates, we have the subscription bonus, then the matching commission, and the company sales share. So, syempre, umpisa natin yan sa retail commission, which is really basic since meron po tayong products dito. Pwede po kayo magbenta. But this is optional. Kung kayo po ay magaling sa sales, then congratulations. May enjoy mo yung discount mo dito. Kasi malaki po ang discount dito. Okay, lalo na kung bibili ka ng bulk order kay crunchy seaweed chips natin. Kung bibili po kayo ng 50 pieces or more, 99 pesos na lang po ang isa. Alright? So kung bulk po yan. However, kung ikukumpara po natin itong prices na to versus other brands, malaki po ang masasave natin. For example, kung kayo po ay bibili ng branded chips na seaweed din po, hindi po natin alam kung healthy ba yan. Di ba? It might be flavoring lang or whatever. Pero at least dito kay Seacrest, ang seaweed chips po natin, healthy na, mura pa. It's only 129 pesos members price. Kapag sa seaweed soap naman po, well, if you will check online, may makikita po kayo dyan na 570 plus or 500 plus na seaweed soap. Dito kay Seacrest, 119 pesos na lang po. Okay, so ang laki po ng saving. Especially sa lotion. If you will check online, meron po kayong makikitang more than 1,000, more than 500 pesos na seaweed lotion. Pero kay Seacrest, 249 pesos na lang po ang members price. So ladies and gents, you can save up to 76% off versus branded products in the market. Okay, laki ng savings, no? Okay, now, If you will be sharing secrets at gusto mo maghanap ng mga subscribers, just the typical subscription business, you can earn from the fast start commission. So you can get 30% commission from every successful activation based on the package you availed. For example, ikaw po, since affiliate ka na ni Secrets at may nakuha kang subscriber, kaibigan mo, let's say, nag-avail ng standard package for 2,498 pesos, meron kang makukuhang 750 pesos since nag-standard package ka. Ngayon, kung yung subscriber mo nag-avail ng premium package for 5,498 pesos, ikaw dapat mag-upgrade ka to premium package before 6 p.m. Manila time para makuha mo ang 1,650 pesos na fast start commission. Kung sakaling hindi naman, hindi ka nakapag-upgrade, okay lang po. May 750 pesos ka pa din. Okay? Pero sayang pa rin yan, no? Kung gusto mong i-grab yung commission na yan. So ngayon, kung yung subscriber mo naman nag-VIP, yung 9,498, dapat ikaw mag-VIP ka din before 6 p.m. Manila time para makuha mo yung 2,850 pesos. If not, at ikaw naman po ay naka-premium, may 1,650 ka pa din. Or kung ikaw naman po ay naka-standard, may 750 ka pa din. So may makukuha ka pa din, okay? Ang good news dito, unlimited po ito. No pairing, no flash out, no points waiting. And if you get more, okay, kung may makukuha ka maraming subscriber, syempre, mas lalaki ang income mo and you can get promoted. Okay, so parang sa trabaho lang. Kung marami kang nakukuhang subscribers or employees or napopromote, syempre ikaw mapopromote ka din. Okay? So dito po may promotion tayo and your promotion is based on points. Pag standard package po kasi ang kinukuha ng mga subscribers mo, may 15 points ka dyan. Pag premium naman po ay 33 points. At pag VIP, 57 points. Yan, malaki po, no? So, lahat po tayo, pag nag-start po kayo dito kay Secrets, ang tawag sa inyo ay director once you activate your account. Alright? Ngayon, para ma-promote ka to the next rank, it's called senior director. Madali lang po ito. Dalawang direct affiliates lang po. Assuming na standard package lang ang kukunin nila. Alright? So, 2 direct affiliates, senior director ka na yan. Dali lang yan, no? Okay, next. Executive director. 10 directs or 150 points. Or kailangan nyo rin po ng 20 active members. Okay? Ngayon, kung hindi mo kaya yung 10 directs, okay lang. Kailangan mo lang ng tatlo. Tatlong separate senior directors with 20 active members. So, tutulungan mo yung tatlo na maging senior director. Okay? The next rank is the national director. 30 direct with 450 points na merong 100 active members sa ilalim mo. So, kung hindi mo kaya yung 30 direct, okay lang po. Tatlo lang ulit. Tatlong separate executive directors. Okay, so tatlo, tutulungan mo maging executive directors at meron ka pa rin dapat 100 active members sa ilalim mo. Magiging national director ka na niyan. So, most likely, 4 digits per month na ang income mo niyan. Okay? Then the next rank is the corporate director, 100 direct or 1,500 points with 500 active members. So again, kung hindi mo kaya yung 100 direct, okay lang po. Tatlo lang ulit. Tatlong national director ang kailangan mo with 500 active members. At dito po, nako, 4 to 5 digits per month. Sure na po yan. Okay? The next stage or the next rank is the presidential director. Ito po ang i-goal ninyo. 3 separate corporate directors with 2,500 active members. Very possible po ito. Ito po, pag naging presidential director po kayo, mahina na po yung 5 or 6 digits per month na income. Okay? Then the next one, global director, siguro darating na lang po ito para sa atin. 50,000 active members earn 6 to 7 digits per month. Okay? Laki na po niya, no? So dito, ladies and gentlemen, no demotion. No demotion as long as you're subscribed. Kasi point-based po tayo. Okay? All you need to do is just to get 3, help 3. Yan po ang strategy natin dito. Sobrang simple lang po. Okay? Pinakita ko na sa inyo kung paano. Alright. So ngayon, kung kayo po ay may rank, yung fast start commission nyo, may bonus ka na by level. Okay? So ibig sabihin, yung 30% natin kanina, assuming na magdidirect po kayo, okay? Maghanap po kayo ng mga subscribers nyo. Balik lang po tayo. Kung kayo po ay director, okay? 30%. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng madidirect nyo, may 30% ka. So, standard is 750. Sa premium naman po is 1,650 at sa VIP po ay 2,850. Alright. Ngayon, since senior director ka, kumuha ka ng dalawang direct, ang good news, may 10% ka na sa second level mo. Ibig sabihin, pag yung direct mo, nakapag-direct din, may 10% ka dyan. So kung ikaw po ay standard, meron kang 249. Pag premium ka naman, may 549 at sila nag-premium. Pag nag-VIP ka naman at sila din nag-VIP, may 949 ka. O, di ba? Ngayon, kapag ikaw po ay nag-executive director, hanggang 4th level, may 5% ka. Ito po yung makukuha nyo. Okay? Ngayon, kapag ikaw po ay nag-national director, hanggang 6th level, meron ka 5% ulit. So, same amount. 124 para sa standard, 274 sa premium, 474 para sa VIP. Okay? Then, kapag kayo naman po ay nag-corporate director, hanggang 7th and 8th level, may 5% ka, same amount. Alright? And 9th to 10th level, presidential director, 5% ulit. So, ladies and gentlemen, again, unlimited po ito. So, no pairing, no flash out, no points waiting, and this is paid every next Thursday. So, kung gagawin po natin ito, mabilis po talaga kayong magkakaroon ng resulta dito kay Seacrest. Alright? Ngayon, ang good news sa products, may kikitain ka pa dyan. Kasi monthly, meron po tayong product rebates by level. Okay? So, when any of your enrolled members under your Enroller 3 place their product order, you can get up to 19%. Depende po sa rank nyo. Monthly product rebates. So, for example, ikaw po, again, director ka. Bumili ka ng lotion na 249 members price. Maliban sa discount mo, may 5% na monthly rebates ka pa dyan. So, ibig sabihin, may 1245 ka pa. Ibig din sabihin, kapag ikaw po ay nakakapag-direct, alright, yung mga direct mo, pag yan bumibili po ng lotion, may 5% ka na naman dyan. Amazing, no? So ngayon, kapag ikaw po ay naging senior director, hanggang second level, may 3% ka. That's 747. Kapag ikaw naman po ay nag-executive director, 2% sa third level. At kapag ikaw po ay nag-national director, fourth level, meron kang 2% ulit. Then kapag ikaw po ay nag-corporate, 2%, okay, hanggang fifth level. At sixth level naman po, corporate director, 1%. At 7th to 10th level, presidential director, 1%. So ladies and gentlemen, hindi po kayo nagbebenta dito. Okay? No selling, no quota. Just product purchases for personal use. Ibig sabihin, yung mga members mo, yun sa Enroller 3, okay? Under your Enroller 3, pag bumibili po sila ng mga products nila, monthly, may product rebates ka pa. Depende sa rank mo. Okay? Ayan, no? Ito na nga po ang paborito ng lahat, ang monthly subscription commission. So guys, dito hindi na po tayo mag-zero. Unlike sa traditional networking na kailangan mo humataw para kumita ka, dito just establish your matrix. Okay, yun nga po yung tinatawag natin, matrix or your community. Ang tawag natin dito ay 2x15 force matrix. Alright? So dito po, you can earn 2.5% from monthly subscription payments of 498 pesos up to your 15th level. Again, based on your rank. And this is paid every first Thursday of the month. So ngayon, siguro tatanungin nyo ko, ano ba yung 2x15 matrix na yan, Coach Team? Okay, introduce ko po sa inyo ito kasi meron po tayong automatic system positioning. Hindi po ikaw yung magpo-position nito tulad ng nakasanayan nyo sa traditional networking na may left and right, binary, pairing. Okay, wala na pong ganun dito. Meron din po tayong compression dito from left to right. So automatic compression po tayo daily. Alright? So ganito po siya yung 2x15. Ang 2x15 sa first level hanggang 15th level, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 lang po yan hanggang 15th level. So meaning to say, sa first level mo, meron kang dalawa. Yan. Sa left muna, ipoposition ni system ang makukuha mong direct. After ng left, right naman. Okay? Then sa second level, okay, here's your second level. Pag may nakuha ka na naman direct, automatic left na naman yan. left ulit. Tapos pag napuno na yung left, right naman at right naman. So there's a possibility na pwede ka mabigyan ng spillover dito. Okay? However, hindi namin pinupush ang maghintay ng spillover kasi sayang naman. No? Sayang naman kung kaya mong gawin pero there's a chance talaga. Okay? Ngayon, sa third level, okay, third level mo, yung mga yan, pag nakakuha sila ng mga direct nila, or ikaw mismo nakakuha ng direct din, ipo-position muna ng system sa left. Yan, sa left muna, left, left, left. Pag puno na yung left, saka maglalagay ng right si system. Right, 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 right. And so on and so forth. Okay? So ngayon, kung gagawin po ninyo yung duplication of 2 na tinatawag natin, ibig sabihin ng duplication of 2, dalawa lang yung nahanapin mo or dalawa lang yung kukunin mo, pero yung dalawa, tuturuan mo kumuha din ng dalawa nila at yung dalawa nila, tutulungan din kumuha ng dalawa and so on. Ito po yung magiging resulta ninyo sa duplication of 2. Sa first level, 2490. Okay, sabihin na natin per month ito, no? Per month. So sa first month mo, dalawa lang ang nakuha mo. Yan ang kita mo, 2490. Sa second month mo, 7470. Sa third month mo, 174.30. Okay, so nakukuha po ba? So dalawa lang po to ng dalawa, alright? Kahit hindi ka na mag-recruit niyan, okay lang po. Basta may dalawa ka na duplicate at yung dalawa mo naghanap din ng tigda-dalawa nila. So ito po yung pwede maging resulta nyo. So syempre hanggang 15th level po yan. Pero since director ka, okay, since director ka or senior director, hanggang 10th or 11th level ka lang. So tuloy natin. Sa 4th level mo, sabihin na natin sa 4th month mo, ito ang kikitain mo, 373.50. Sa 5th level or 5th month, 771.90. So ibig sabihin, may pambayad ka na sa monthly subscription mo. Okay? So hindi mo na problema yung monthly subscription. Lalo na pag nagtuloy-tuloy pa yan. So sa 6th level mo, may 1,568 ka na. 7th level or sa 7th month, 3,162. Sa 8th month mo, may 6,349 ka na. Sa 9th month mo, may 12,723 ka na. Okay? At sa 10th month mo, may 25,472 ka na kung magtutuloy-tuloy ang duplication of 2 ng grupo mo. Okay? So dito po, director pa lang yung rank mo. Okay, director lang yung rank mo. Ibig sabihin, kung mabigyan ka ng spillover na dalawa, yan po ang maximum income mo. Worst case scenario, kung wala ka talaga makuha. But again, since kumuha ka ng dalawa, senior director ka. So, ibig sabihin, may extended level ka hanggang 11th level. So, kung tatrabahuhin po ninyo to, pwede po kayo kumita up to 50,970 pesos per month just by simply doing this very simple strategy na meron kami dito kay Secrets. Kaya nga po, wag niyong ini-small ang subscription business kasi ang ganda po talaga ng kitaan dito. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-recruit. Dalawa lang po yan. Pero what if nag-duplication of 3 ka? What if nag-duplication of 3? Yung kanina, yung sinabi ko po sa inyo na paano ma-promote dito, mag-rank up. Mas panalo ka dito. Kasi kapag nag-duplication of 3 ka, nagdagdag ka lang ng isa ha, ng isang direct subscriber mo. Pwede ka kumita up to your 12th level kasi mag-executive director ka. So mag-i-increase ang income mo up to 101,000 pesos. Pwede ka ding maging national director. 13th level, that's 203,000 pesos na po. Or 14th level, kapag nag-corporate director ka, 407,000 pesos yan. And 15th level, the maximum level, which is the presidential director, that's 815,000 pesos. And ladies and gentlemen, you can get this per month na po just by paying your monthly subscription. Magkano po ulit yun? 498 pesos. Dagdagan na natin ang shipping fee kasi nga po may products na kasama to. So, syempre may shipping po yun. So, that's just like 593 or almost 600 pesos lang naman. Pero tingnan nyo po yung kapalit niya. So, duplication of 3 or duplication of 2. Kayo po yung mamili. Basta dito po, you can maximize your potential earnings by duplicating. Okay? So, dito hindi po namin tinetolerate yung spillover. Okay? Kung gusto nyo maghintay ng spill, sayang guys. Okay? Sayang naman po. So, might as well do the duplication of 2 or you can do the duplication of 3. Kayo po mamili kung ano gusto nyo dyan. Basta pinakita ko na sa inyo kung ano yung potential earnings ng duplication natin. Okay? Ngayon, pakita ko na rin po sa inyo yung duplicating versus recruiting. Working smart versus working hard. Alright? So, kumpara sa traditional networking na kailangan mong mag-recruit para kumita na malaki, lalo na kung multiple accounts ka, kay Seacrest, single account, pero kailangan mo lang mag-duplicate. Yes, kailangan mo lang mag-duplicate. So, for example, ikaw yan. Kailangan mo lang ng 3 ulit. Okay, so duplication of 3 pa din tayo. Kasi sa duplication of 3, pwede ka talagang ma-promote hanggang presidential director. So ngayon, sa first level mo to, meron kang 3. Okay, automatic 3. Your rank is senior director. Ang weekly fast start mo dyan ay 2,250. Pwede na, no? Ang monthly matrix mo, 3735. So sabihin na natin sa unang buwan, 3 lang yung nakuha mo. Okay lang yun. Kasi tingnan mo, halos mabawi mo na yung pinuhunan mo. Alright? Pero ang nakakatuwa dito, kung yung 3 mo, tinuruan mo kumuha ng 3 din, okay? Sabihin mo sa 3 mo na hanap ka ng 3 para may weekly fast start ka at pwede ka ma-promote to senior director at syempre pwede ka ma-promote to presidential director. Kasi pag makakuha ka ng 3 mo, ito yung mangyayari. Sa second level mo, senior director ka pa din dyan, okay? Pero meron kang 12 na new subscribers or 12 total subscribers. Ang weekly fast start mo dyan ay 2,241. So bawing-bawi mo na yung pinuhunan mo. Ang good news, may monthly matrix ka na 149 pesos and 40 on your second month. Okay? Ngayon, yung 3 dyan sa second level mo, makakuha lang yan. Okay, makakuha lang yan ng 5. Promoted ka na to executive director kasi kailangan mo ng 20 active members di ba? So makakuha lang ng 5 yan. Executive director ka na. So meaning to say, pag may susobra na papasok dyan, okay, nag-duplicate din sila ng tig-3 nila, ang makukuha mong weekly fast start dyan ay around 3,372 pesos. Panalo na, no? Okay, so ang makukuha mong number of subscribers ay nasa 39 na. Ang monthly matrix mo dyan ay 485.55 na. So guys, dito bawi mo na yung pang monthly subscription mo din just by duplicating your 3. Okay? So ibig sabihin magtutulungan lang talaga. Ang good news, okay? Ang good news, pag yan third level mo, ginawa nila yung duplication of 3, okay? Sa fourth level mo, sabog. Puputok talaga yan. So dito, pwede ka nang kumita ng 10,117 sa weekly fast start mo pa lang. So hindi man ito isang baksakan, pero most likely, or up to, no, pwede ka kumita ng ganyang amount sa weekly fast start mo. Kasi dito, meron ka ng 120 subscribers. At ang good news, national director ka na. Kasi di ba kailangan mo lang ng 100 active members? Pero sumobra ka na, oh. So national director ka na. Ang good news na naman, monthly matrix commission mo nasa 1,494 pesos na. Amazing, di ba? Okay? O ngayon, titigil ba yan? Siyempre, hindi. Kasi nakikita nila yung income mo na nag-duplicate ka lang ng 3. Okay? So kung sa fifth level, magduduplicate din yung tig-siyam na yan. So that's 27 each line. Alright? So 27 times 9, weekly fast start mo, 30,350 approximately. Okay? Ngayon, meron ka na ditong 363 number of subscribers. National director ka pa rin dyan. Okay lang yun. Pero ang monthly matrix mo, nasa 4,519 na. O, di ba? Ang laki na, no? Syempre, hindi naman titigil yan dyan. Pag yan fifth level mo, nag-duplication of 3 din, okay? Yung iba dyan, makahanap lang yung iba dyan ng nasa 137, makabuo ka lang ng 137 na subscribers dyan, automatic corporate director ka na. So since corporate director ka na, pag may pumasok sa 6th level mo na new affiliates or new subscribers, ang weekly fast start mo na ay nasa 91,000 pesos. Most likely, roughly around. Okay? Ang good news, wow, nasa 1,092 subscribers ka na. So, kumusta naman ang monthly matrix mo? Ito na siya, 13,595 na po. Okay? Siyempre, hindi pa nag-stop dyan. Tuloy-tuloy lang po yan. Ibig sabihin, sa 7th level, yung 81 na yan, naghanap ng tig-3 nila. Okay, so tig 243 po yan, guys. Ito po, numbers po ito. Okay, hindi po ito imposible. Napaka-posible po nito kasi tatlo lang naman eh. Tatlo lang naman yung kailangan namin sa inyo. Alright? Tingnan nyo mangyayari pwede ka nang kumita sa weekly fast start mo ng 344,000 pesos. Weekly fast start po ito. So, ganito ka-powerful yung compensation plan ni Seacrest sa weekly fast start. Ini-small nila to pero actually malaki po talaga ang pwedeng makuha ninyo dito kung gagawin po ninyo ang strategy na to. Ang good news, meron ka ng 3,279 subscribers sa ilalim mo. O syempre, ikaw naman po, presidential director ka na. O, kumusta naman ang presidential director? Di ba 5 to 6 digits? Ito na po, 40,823 per month na po ang monthly matrix commission mo. Hindi na bababa yan, okay? Kung bababa man, siguro konting-konti lang. Pero ito magiging consistent na to. Kasi ito po yung kagandahan sa subscription business. Every month, magbabayad ka lang po ng 498 pesos para ma-keep mo yung account mo. May free products pang kasama yan. Okay? So this is numbers, all right? Numbers don't lie. All you need to do is just to get 3 and help 3 and get amazing result. Okay? So, ladies and gentlemen, kung kayo po ay magsisipag, of course, mas rewarded ka dito kay Seacrest. Kasi hindi naman limited ang iyong pagdidirect. Yung duplication of 2, duplication of 3, it's just an idea para lumaki kagad yung grupo mo. Pero kung gusto mo talaga ng maraming direct, panalo ka dito kasi meron tayong monthly matching commission. You get 50% commission every end of month from your direct affiliates, monthly subscription commission. So, ibig sabihin, kung meron kang tatlo, balikan lang natin yung tatlo ulit. Meron kang first direct, second direct, third direct. Alam niyo po ba na kapag kumikita na si first direct ninyo ng 10,000 per month sa monthly matrix commission niya, meron kang 50% dyan. That's 5,000 pesos. Hindi po ito ibabawas ni Seacrest sa direct mo Yung direct mo, 10,000 pa rin makukuha niya. Pero ikaw, may 50%, 5,000 pesos. Ganun po kaganda. Or ganun po kaganda yan. Ganun po kaganda si Seacrest. Pati ako na-surprise na rin, di ba? Alright? So ngayon, sa second direct mo, okay, kumita ng 50,000 pesos per month sa monthly subscription niya. 50% sa'yo na naman, 25,000 pesos for that month. Okay? And yung third direct mo, kumita ng 100,000 pesos per month from the monthly subscription bonus. 50% na naman sa'yo. So that's 50,000 pesos for that month. Alright? So ladies and gentlemen, this is your monthly bonus on top of your own monthly subscription bonus for sharing Seacrest. So the more direct, the more matching bonus you can get. Just keep your subscription active to enjoy this bonus. So dapat active yung subscription mo at yung subscriptions na mga direct mo para makuha mo yung monthly matching commission nila. Alright? So ngayon may nagtanong, Coach Team, paano pag marami ako na direct? Mas masaya po yan. Kasi regardless of where they are positioned, basta direct mo, makukuha mo yung 50% matching commission mo. Every end of the month po yan. So for example, gawa natin ng matrix ulit to 2 by 15. So for example, sa first level mo, nakapag-dalawang direct ka. Okay? Then the second level mo, nakapag-direct ka ulit. Ito naman po, direct ng direct mo. Okay? Tapos ikaw nakapag-direct or direct ng direct mo ulit yan. Yan. Mga orange na yan. Hindi na ikaw yung nag-direct niya mga orange na yan. So ngayon, nakapag-direct ka. Ayan. Diyan ipoposition ng system yan. Okay? Tapos sa third level mo. Sa third level mo, ikaw nakapag-direct, nakapag-direct ka ulit, nakapag-direct. So ibig sabihin, meron kang 8. Okay? 8 active members or 8 direct members. So ladies and gentlemen, dito, regardless kahit saan sila ma-position, alright? So yung mga orange, hindi sa'yo yan, hindi mo direct yan. So, balikan natin, okay? First direct, kumita ng 40,000. May kalahati ka, 20,000. Second direct, kumita ng 60,000. May 50% ka, 30,000. Third direct mo, kumita ng 30. Ikaw, may 15,000. Fourth direct mo, kumita ng 20,000. Ikaw, may 10,000. Yung fifth direct mo, kumita ng 10,000. Ikaw, meron 5,000. Yung sixth direct mo, kumita ng 20,000. Ikaw, may 10,000. 7th direct mo kumita ng 10, ikaw may 5K. At yung 8th direct mo kumita ng 10K, ikaw merong 5,000 pesos. So guys, monthly matching commission is a life changer. Dito po, imbis na paramihan ng accounts, okay, sa traditional networking, kung mas marami kang accounts, mas marami kang kita. Tama? Dito po, hindi. Mas marami kang direct, mas malaki ang kita mo. So you can potentially earn, let's say, 100,000 on top of your own subscription bonus. So dito po, sabihin na natin 3 years projection. Okay, you can get your early retirement income here in Seacrest. Basta nakasubscribe ka lang at nakasubscribe ang mga enrollees mo at mga direct mo. Okay, ayan oh, grabe no. Okay, so moving forward, di ba naalala nyo may promotion tayo, may rank? O dito guys, meron tayong tinatawag na generation matching bonus. So hindi pa natatapos yung matching bonus. Okay, sabi ko nga po sa inyo, ang matching bonus natin is a life changer. Kung mas masipag ka, panalo ka talaga dito. So yung duplication of 2, duplication of 3, it's just a guide for you. Okay, para malaman mo kung magkano o ilang buwan or anong magiging resulta mo kung gagawin mo yon. Pero kung gagawin mo talagang mag-direct na mag-direct, mas mabilis ang magiging resulta mo. Pero balikan natin yung duplication of 3. Okay? Yun, tapos assuming, okay, feasibility, kumikita na lahat ng members mo ng 40,000 pesos per month. Sabihin na natin 3 to 5 years from now. 40,000 pesos per month na ang kinikita ng lahat ng nasa enroller 3 mo. Okay, so again, first level, 3 lang ulit ha. Balikan natin yung 3. So sa 3 mo, syempre ikaw, senior director ka na, assuming, okay? Malaki na yung grupo ng 3 mo kasi nga syempre kumikita na sila ng 40,000 pesos per month eh, okay? Alright, so ito po mangyayari. Ang monthly matrix mo, ang monthly matrix total ng 3 mo is 120,000 pesos kasi nga po tigpo 40,000 sila. 40, 40, 40, 120. Balikan lang natin ang matching bonus, 50% meron ka. Alright? So, magkano sa iyo? 60,000 pesos matching bonus mo. Ngayon, ang good news, since ikaw ay executive director, well, kapag kumikita po yung nasa second level mo sa monthly matrix nila, ladies and gentlemen, assuming nag 40,000 pesos din sila per month, that's a total of 360,000 pesos para po sa lahat ng members na yan. Kukuha lang si Seacrest ng 5% para sa iyo diyan. Magkano yung 5%? Malaki na rin yun ha, 18,000 pesos. Oh. Ngayon, kung ikaw ay nag-national director, may kita ka sa third level. So kung yan mga nasa third level, kumikita ng 40,000 each, that's a total of 1.80 million pesos. Kukurot lang si Seacrest ng 5% dyan. Pero tingnan mo yung 5%, nasa 54,000 pesos din yan. O kapag kayo naman po ay nag-corporate director, hanggang 4th level. So kung yung 4th level na yan, lahat sila kumikita ng 40,000 pesos per month, nasa 3.2 million pesos po yan. Kukurot lang si Seacrest ng 3% para sa iyo dyan. That's 97,000. Okay, most likely, alright? Estimate po ito, feasibility po ito. At kapag kayo po ay nag-presidential director, hanggang 5th level, meron ka. So for example, yan nasa 5th level, kumikita ng 40,000 pesos each. So that's around 9.7 million pesos. Kukurot lang si Seacrest ng 3% dyan para sa'yo. That's around 291,000 pesos. So guys, the generation matching bonus or the matching bonus is your life changer here, or it's an answered prayer for you. So kung mangyari man to, right, sabihin na natin 3 to 5 years from now, napalaki mo yung grupo mo dahil sa duplication of 3, okay, duplication of 3 lang po ito. Posibleng kumita ka talaga ng 500,000 per month nang dahil lang po sa matching bonus mo. Okay? So again, this is just a feasibility kung gagawin natin to. So duplication lang po talaga ang sikreto dito kay Seacrest. Then the rest, it's all up to you. Kung gusto nyo pong dagdagan ang mga direct ninyo, mas masaya kasi mas malaki ang makukuha mong generation matching bonus. Okay? Alright. So last but not the least, it's the company sales share. Alright, so monthly, pag presidential director ka, you will get or you will receive 2% of the entire company's gross income. For example, si Seacrest po ay kumita ng 15 million pesos sa isang buwan. 2% po nun ay 300,000 pesos. So ngayon, kung meron pong 5 presidential director, paghahati-hatian po nila yung 300,000 na yan. So that's around 60,000 pesos. Idadagdag din po ito sa monthly commission natin. So ladies and gentlemen, hindi ka na talaga masizero dito. Again, magkano lang binayaran mo per month? 498 pesos. Isama na natin yung shipping fee. So mostly around 600 pesos ang babayaran mo lang per month. At hindi mo na magiging problema yan pag nagtuloy-tuloy na po ang paglaki ng grupo ninyo. Okay? Alright. So ngayon, bigyan ko na lang po siguro kayo ng idea. Baka kasi kinukumpara ninyo si Seacrest sa traditional networking. Ladies and gentlemen, sa traditional networking po kasi, ibang-iba po talaga si Seacrest. Okay? So sa traditional networking, kailangan mo mag-product demo. Ang dami mong bibit-bitin, no? Para ibenta yung mga products mo. Ngayon, product dependent income din sila. Okay? Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, kumikita po sila sa product mismo. Okay? Ngayon, kapag na sistema or sabihin na natin, nakamada ang mga products, ibig sabihin, baksak presyo, online, pahirapan na po yan. Okay? Pahirapan na po magpasok ng mga members niyan. Kasi, imbis na mapapamember mo na, makikita nila online na baksak presyo yung products nila or products mo, wala na. Imbis na mapamember mo, hindi na lang. Bibili na lang siya online kasi baksak presyo na. Okay? Then, utangan sa products. Naku, sakit na po ito ng traditional networking. Kung gusto mong palaki ng grupo mo, kailangan mong pautangin ang grupo mo ng mga products para ma-demo nila. Di ba? Okay, nakaka-relate po ba kayo? Okay. At kailangan mag-recruit. Naku, ito nga po, kasi nga po binary sila eh. Alright? Kailangan mag-recruit, left and right, pairing. Ayan. Kailangan mo talaga mag-effort. Obligado kang bumili ng produkto mo. Kasi nga po, kailangan mo makip yung account mo. So, most likely, kailangan mo mga 1,500 points, 10,000 points, 15,000 points. So magkano din po yun, di ba? Okay, so ngayon hindi consistent ang kita. Kasi nga po, it depends. Lalo na kung meron kang strong leg, tapos hindi gumagalaw yung weak leg mo, problema yon, di ba? Malaking problema yon. So, tapos naka-multiple accounts ka pa. Naku, matrabaho po yan. Okay? Kasi pag naka-multiple accounts ka doon, kailangan mong trabahuin lahat ng accounts mo. So, ang nakakalungkot, pag tamad ka, di ka nakikita. Yan ang reality, okay, ng traditional networking. Alright. Ngayon, sa Seacrest, dito po, sa bahay ka lang. Online lang po kasi lahat. Okay? Then, subscription-based ang income natin. So, ibig sabihin, kahit magbaksak presyo, which is parang okay na po yung presyo natin, hindi ko alam kung magbabaksak pa yun. Okay? Pero hindi tayo apektado. Okay? Kasi subscription-based income tayo. Yun ang maganda. So, since subscription-based income tayo, anti-kamada tayo. Okay, pang long term na po talaga. Kasi hindi naman tayo maapektuhan kapag may nagbaksak presyo ng chips, sabihin na natin, ng soap, ng lotion, let's say, worst case scenario. Hindi po. Kasi subscription tayo eh. Okay? Then, drop shipping service, iwas utangan. So, yung mga umutang ng products, hindi na makakautang kasi nga po, drop shipping na tayo. Alright? Then, duplication of 3, pwede ka na kumita. Yon, okay? So, duplication lang po talaga sikreto dito, ladies and gentlemen. Di ka obligado magbenta o bumili. Relax ka lang, chill ka lang, nakasubscribe ka lang. Alright? Consistent ang income mo. Kasi nga po, wala nang weak leg, walang strong leg. Basta nakasubscribe ka, kung ilan yung members mo sa enroller mo, sa lineup mo, sa community mo, yun ang pwede mong kitain. Okay? Then, single account but lucrative. Ibig sabihin, malaki ang kitaan kahit single account ka lang. Biruin mo, kung mas marami kang madirect, dun, mas malaki ang kita mo compared sa multiple accounts na ikaw pa yung gagastos. 'Di ba? Ikaw pa yung gagastos sa multiple accounts mo. Dito, hindi. Kailangan mo lang maging masipag, alright? At panalong-panalo ka talaga pag marami kang direct dito. So don't limit yourself sa duplication of 3. Kung kaya mo mas maraming direct, mas masaya. Alright? So dito, kahit tamad, kikita ka. Basta nakasubscribe. Okay? Ayan ang maganda kay Seacrest. Oh, kahit tamad, kikita ka basta nakasubscribe ka. Yan. Alright. So kung gusto mo kumita ng 1 million or gusto mo magkaroon ng savings up to 1 million pesos per year, bigyan na po kita ng tip, okay, para magawa mo 'to. Siyempre bilang speaker, bilang coach mo, tulungan kita paano ka makakuha ng 1 million pesos savings per year. Actually, you have three choices. Puwede kang mag-save sa bank. Kung gusto mo mag-save sa bank, 3,000 pesos per month kung kaya mo, 12 months, that's 36,000 pesos per year. After 35 years, meron ka ng 1.3 million pesos. So, yun nga lang, kailangan mo maghintay dito. Maturity. At depende pa po ito kung maganda yung interest rate. Okay? Now, the next one is kumuha ka ng insurance or insurance na may investment. So kung may kaibigan ka nag-insurance or investment, sige lang, go lang. Kung kaya mo magbayad ng 3,000 pesos per month ulit, so that's 36,000 pesos per year, akalain mo after 35 years, most likely meron kang 4.3 million pesos. Ang good news, may other benefits pa yan like critical illness benefit, accidental death benefit, disability benefit, at death benefit. Okay? Pwede na yan. Pero ang tanong, kaya mo ba ang 3,000 pesos per month? At kaya mo bang maghintay ng 35 years? So, ilang taon ka na? Yun ang magandang tanong, okay? So, ngayon, bigyan kita ng magandang option. Seacrest. 498 per month. O sabihin na natin 600 per month. Isama natin yung shipping fee. 12 months. So, that's around 7,200 pesos per year. Or roughly 31,000 pesos in 5 years. Just imagine sa 31,000 pesos na subscription na binayaran mo, 5 years na po yun. May products pang kasama. Okay? Dito, hindi mo na kailangan ma-experience ang critical health, ang aksidente, ma-disable, or ma-disease, or yun, mategi. So, syempre, hindi mo na ma-enjoy ang income mo niyan. So, let's say, approximately, sabihin natin, less than 5 years, hatawin mo si Seacrest, alam nyo po ba na pwede ka kumita up to 800,000 pesos per month or 9.6 million pesos per year? All you need to do is just to get 3 and help 3. Yan lang po talaga ang kailangan natin gawin dito kay Seacrest at sigurado long term na po. Meron ka ng magandang income at malaking savings per year. Okay? So just to help you decide, here in Seacrest, bakit ko nga ba nagustuhan si Seacrest? Una-una sa lahat, everything you need is online. Payout natin, online na rin po. Diretso po yan sa GCash natin, sa bank natin, BDO natin. At darating na rin po ang other payment options or payout options. So, basically, pinadali na po ni Seacrest para sa atin kumita sa bahay. Okay? Pioneering stage. So, guys, pioneering 4 months pa lang po or nag-start lang po si Seacrest noong May 2024. Hindi ko alam kung anong buwan or araw nyo mapapanood tong presentation ko, pero bagong-bago lang po si Seacrest. Wala pa pong 1 year. Okay? 2024. Alright? So, magandang pasukan talaga. Passive income for life. As long as you're subscribed, yan lang po ang gagawin natin dito. Nakasubscribe lang po. So, kung kayo po ay medyo hesitated or yung tipong hindi nyo na kayang humataw sa labas, okay? Gusto nyo ng chill-chill lang, eto na po si Seacrest, basta nakasubscribe ka lang at mag-duplicate ka lang ng 3 or ng 2 or marami, bahala po kayo kung anong income ang gusto nyo. Okay? Passive income for life na po yan basta nakasubscribe ka. Basta dito kay Seacrest, pag nag-umpisa ka na, 2 lang ang pwede mong mapuntahan. It's either mapunta ka sa 97% nakikita o sa 3% na yayaman. So, ikaw na po bahala kung saan nyo po gusto. Okay? So, once more, this is Coach Team. Subscribe now or regret it forever. O yan. So, be part of Seacrest. Start your pre-enrollment now. You can be part of Team Motivators. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's Daddy's Karting Tambay. For more info and for more videos about Seacrest. So thank you so much for watching. Please get the invite link of the person who shared this presentation to you. Again, maraming salamat sa panonood ng presentation na to. Sana nabuhayan kayo ng pangarap. Gawin nyo po. Okay, gawin nyo po si Seacrest. Yung sipag ninyo, itodo nyo po dito at siguradong sulit na sulit po ang pagod ninyo. So make a legacy for your family and you won't regret this. Okay? So again, this is Coach Team. Thank you for watching. God bless po.